Hey guys, my name is Elizabeth Suj, and today I'm here with Mama Suj. We went ahead and created this super fun and easy Mother's Day look using some of my favorite palettes. If you want to recreate the look, just keep on watching. Taking Color Festival brush number 5, I'm going to grab our Studio Pro concealer and apply that to the lids. I'm using the shade 100. Taking our Lavish Elegance brush number 6, we're going to dip into the shade Sisterhood from our Sylvia Ghani palette, and I'm going to place this in the crease. Taking my Marble Luxe brush number 7, I'm going to go ahead and dip into the shade S Club, and we're going to blend this into Sisterhood. Taking my signature Rose Gold brush number 7, I'm going to dip into the shade Self Love and apply this all over the lid. Taking a makeup wipe, I'm just going to go ahead and clean underneath the eye and perfect the shadow. Taking my Marble Luxe brush number 7, I'm going to take our Studio Pro concealer in the shade 101, and we're going to go ahead and conceal the under eyes. Now we're going to take my brush number 5 from the Marble Luxe collection and our Naturally Flawless foundation in the shade 212 and apply it all over her face. Our Naturally Flawless foundation has hyaluronic acid, so it plumps the skin and makes it look very youthful. So I went ahead and just applied foundation on the right side of her face, so if you guys can see, it gives you a nice natural glow, and we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Taking the shade Canyon from the Desert Oasis palette, I'm going to go ahead and bronze up her face using our Color Festival brush number 3. Taking the shade Sandstone from the Desert Oasis palette, we're going to use the same Color Festival brush number 3 and apply some blush. Now we're going to grab the Color Festival brush number 4 and dip into the shade Mirage from the Desert Oasis palette, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight her cheekbones. Taking the It's My Ray Ray brush number 7, we're going to dip into the same shade Mirage and apply this to the inner corners of her eyes. Taking my signature Rose Gold brush number 8, we're going to go back into the Sylvia Ghani palette and use the shade Sisterhood and apply it to the lower lash line. Taking our Cashmere Cream in the shade Perf and the It's My Ray Ray brush number 9, I'm going to go ahead and apply that shade all over her lips. And here we have the final look, and remember, it doesn't have to be Mother's Day for you to make your mom feel special.